M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So we've got the Anytone 878 and the new GD-88 with the latest firmware that has Talker Alias. So if you look at the 878, it's had Talker Alias for quite a while. Now what is Talker Alias? It will transmit your call sign and location without needing a CSV file. So how do we turn this on? We just go menu, go to Talk Group, go down to Talker Alias, select, and we've got Alias transmit settings, and so we TX with Alias. And if we go down one, we can turn that on and off, by the way, number one. So go select, on or off. It's on at the moment. Go down one now, form. This is the amount of bits it transmits. So I've set it to 8, and I'll show you why in a bit. So okay, so we'll go back. So we've selected 8-bit. Okay, so we're on the same frequency now. We're not on we're not on basically the hotspot is turned off. So if I TX, no one's going to get this. Right, so now we've got our GD-88, which has only just had this function added. So the menu structure is different on the GD-88. So push menu here. Now with the GD-88, to go around the different tiles here, you go up and down and it takes you round in a circle. Now we're on menu number 1 here, which is contacts. It says 1/12, so it's one menu number 1 out of 12 selections, contacts. So the quick way to do it is to go start at the end. So if you click down like so, it takes you straight to 12. So it says 12 of 12. We're going to go 11, and you're on the device info menu, which is where you'll find Talker Alias. So just click select like so, and then there's lots of settings there, but for now we'll just go straight to Talker Alias, which is here, Alias, and go select. Okay, TX Alias settings, we're going to select it again, and TX Alias switch basically means on or off. So if the green is slid across, it's on. Okay, so we've done that. Now to change it, you just push select. Let's go down to the type now. If we push select now, so with the next one down, we're going to go type. And look, we've got 7, 8, and even 16 bits. I've kept it at 8 because that's what the Anytone 878 was saying, was 8. So okay, so we'll go back. And that's the TX ones. And I go down now to name, TX, and I've put in M0FXB, and I've added a star and Andreas so we can recognize this. And you add it with your numeric keypad, and you delete here. And let's go OK. Let's go back. And now let's go to the receive setting. So RX alias, select. And the Talker alias, you can either set it to ignore Talker alias, or you can turn it on. Now, I've told it to turn it on. And if I was to select ignore, it would go green there. So sorry, my hand's in the way. So down one, Talker alias is on. You just go select like that. Okay, let's back out. So let's do a transmission. So if I TX here to the Anytone, see what happens. Right, so there's M0FXB. That's my CSV, but then it switches to Talker alias. Look. So it's got the M0FXB Andreas. Now if I go the other way, keep my hand out of the way, and TX, the thing about these, hello, M0. Now it's just showing my call sign there, my DMR number, and the fact that we're on Talk Group 91. There's not really sending any more info than that. So I'm just wondering if I could add more info within Talker Alias. But anyway, that's it all working. Let me know what you think. Now, it does also work. They have added it to the DB25, or should we call it the RT73. I'm going to show you, just quickly show you at the end of this video, and then I'll make a separate video on that as well. So here's the RT73. We just turned it on, and you hit the tile for menu. Again, this has got new firmware as well. So there's the tile there. Turn it backwards to get to number 11 again. Device info, select. Then go down, same menu that you saw earlier, but alias is there. And then we've got the TX settings. It's all turned on at the moment. And then we'll go back. RX settings. And it's all turned on again. So let's TX on the 878. See what we see. There you are. Now that, did you see that? Because my 878 has got a CSV file, and so has the RT73 or the DB25. It shows you one, and then it switches. See that? It switches to just Andreas. So let's go the other way, see what happens. Remember, I'm not on Talk Group 91. My hotspot is turned off. You can see it in the background. So let's just TX, like so. See what we receive. So we're getting me there, M0FXB. The call sign's slightly wrong. I need to just change that. If we look on this radio, on the Anytone, see it? Yeah, it is working. Just need to change the call sign settings in this. So what I'll do, I see it says MO there, Talker Alias. I'm going to put that in properly. So we'll go menu, down to 11 again, device info. This time we'll go to radio ID. Now we'll go back. I've deleted it again. So we can use the keypad here, just to type 7. Click OK. That's set just by pushing the button here. Then we'll go down to, where is it? Just show you version. There's my version there. It's got October 25th, 2022. So that's the latest firmware. We'll go down to Alias again. TX setting. TX alias name we want. And I put in M0 there. So if I now will try and put in with just type in with the keypad. Let's do it. I'm not used to using this keypad. So F. Keep going for the capitals. So we've got this up arrow here for capitals. So you go up like so. It's a bit faffy. Especially when you can't see. B. Then we'll go A. Okay, with faffing and fiddling, we sort of got there in the end. And we'll click OK. Back out of that. And the idea is that when we TX now, it should say M0FXB Andreas now. I got a feeling you can add more. There it is there, M0FXB Andreas. See that? Now we could be adding our location and other details. I notice it's not doing it. It says that, oh, it does do it there. Look. 91 world time, M0FXB Andreas. There you are. So that's it. Let me know what you think. Is it worth all the trouble? Would you rather just have a decent CSV file? So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Catch you on RT73. All the best.